So let's get started. You can use this green leaf and paint it. Now we are going to draw the colorful worm using fingertip. Draw the legs and look, it's ready. Look at these medicine case. Let's recycle them. So we're going to make googly eyes out of it. You can put this black clay. Now we're going to make the chick. So you can use this yellow clay, press it and make different shapes. Now you can use these googly eyes, put them like we're doing here, crumple some paper. You can cut it like this and make the nest here. Paste all of them using double-sided tape. You can also make some clouds and it's ready. Let's make the crown. So you can cut this mask or you can take some tissue paper, color them and dab them on this green clay using this pointy object, and your beautiful tree crown is ready. Similarly, you can press and make the grass and make some flowers and look, it's ready. Let's make the tree trunk and then we're going to make the crown. So fold this foam net and dab different shades of green and make the tree crown. Similarly, you can make the flowers using earbud, paste some butterflies and it's ready. Here we're going to cut this mask and color it pink. Now cut it and make these small pieces. Now we're going to use this green clay and some pink as well and dab all of those tissue papers using a pointy object and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.